quick video on real-time polishing the headlight on my old Honda CR-V here. See, it's quite yellow already. So I've actually already polished the one headlight. It was super easy and quick. I have my tools laid out, my polisher, compound tape, compound head, and my trusty water bottle. And I have my rag right here on the hood. 445. My trusty Gorilla tape. Strip along the edge of the paint. Like this. And over here. Here, to the hood, so I'm going to overspray over the whole car using my G3 Ferricula compound. Spread it here arbitrarily wherever you want, a fair amount. Right, there we go. Polisher, buffing pad, water on here, and okay, here we go. Again, the water on the headlight, some water on the buffing pad, and the switch again. How was that? Now I see a little bit of haze on here, so I'm going to run the buffer over again. A little bit of a line right here. And just let it clean. Almost done. Changing the pad. Fine pad here. Put some of the fine compound here. A bit of water on the buffing pad. A little wipey, and done. That took exactly 5 minutes. Boom, done. How was that? For easy money. So all that's left now is washing down the car, and that's it. This one was much easier than the Mercedes, obviously, because it wasn't as badly deteriorated. So do the math. 5 minutes of headlight. Seems to say 10 minutes of headlight. That's 20 minutes. 5 minutes prep. That's 25 minutes. 5 minutes cleanup. That's 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, you can potentially earn between 85 and 150 bucks. That's not bad money.